Today, we're talking about how your own brain secretly works against you. Yep, it's basically got a self-destruct button. Not in a sci-fi explosion way, but in ways that quietly sabotage your body, memory, emotions, and even your will to live. So, let's count down the weirdest ways your brain slowly presses its own red button. Sleep deprivation. Your brain eating itself. When you skip sleep, your brain literally starts cleaning itself too hard. Glial cells, your brain's janitors, start over-scrubbing, chewing up healthy neurons and synapses like overzealous Roombas. Scientists at the University of Wisconsin found that chronic sleep loss makes your brain self-cannibalize. So yeah, when you brag about running on 3 hours, your brain is literally snacking on itself. Stress. The slow burn self-destruct. Your brain loves stress for about 5 minutes. Then it goes full kamikaze. Cortisol floods your system, shrinking the hippocampus, the part that controls memory and learning. Too much stress for too long, and your brain starts forgetting how to not be stressed. It's like leaving your hand on a car alarm and forgetting why it's still going off. Dopamine addiction. The reward system glitch. Ever doom scrolled for 2 hours and felt gross after? That's dopamine short-circuiting. Your brain's reward system keeps asking for tiny hits, notifications, likes, sugar, until it stops caring about real rewards like long-term goals or actual happiness. In other words, your motivation button got remapped to scroll more memes. Negativity bias. The built-in bad news magnet. Your ancestors survived by remembering what almost killed them. You, however, just remember that one awkward text you sent in 2016. Amygdala lights up stronger for threats than for joy, making your mind a magnet for bad news. A survival feature that now mostly powers anxiety and comment section arguments. Learned helplessness. When the brain just gives up, this one's dark. In experiments with dogs, psychologists Martin Seligman and Stephen Mayer found that when animals couldn't escape shocks, eventually stopped trying, even when they could. Humans do it too. It's your brain's version of saying, why bother? Even when escape is possible. It's not laziness. It's your brain pressing the surrender button. Cognitive dissonance. The I'm fine button. Your brain hates being wrong so much that it rewrites your beliefs to avoid discomfort. You buy something expensive, regret it, and suddenly convince yourself it was a smart investment. Congratulations, your brain just hacked reality to save its ego. It's emotional self-preservation disguised as logic. Social isolation. The brain's emergency shutdown. Humans evolved to survive in tribes. When you're isolated for too long, your brain interprets that as life-threatening. It boosts inflammation, messes with sleep, and dulls empathy. It's basically your nervous system saying, find people or perish. We're social animals with a built-in loneliness panic alarm. Social isolation. The brain's emergency shutdown. Humans evolved to survive in tribes. When you're isolated for too long, your brain interprets that as life-threatening. It boosts inflammation, messes with sleep, and dulls empathy. It's basically your nervous system saying, find people or perish. We're social animals with a built-in loneliness panic alarm. The default mode network. The daydream trap. When you're not focused on anything, your brain activates the default mode network, the internal monologue generator. Sounds relaxing, right? Except it often drags you into rumination, replaying old regrets and imaginary arguments. It's like having a podcast in your head that only plays your worst moments. Aging. The final button press. Over time, your brain naturally trims away unused connections, a process called synaptic pruning. It keeps your mind efficient until it starts trimming too much. That's when memory slips, focus fades, and your brain quietly starts shutting down non-essential systems. It's not decay, it's your brain optimizing for the endgame. So yeah, your brain is both the smartest and most self-destructive organ you've got. It keeps you alive, but sometimes it's the reason you suffer. The trick? Know when your brain's pressing its own buttons, and learn how to pull your finger off the switch. If you like this kind of weird science breakdown, hit that like button before your dopamine system reboots, and subscribe for more brain-bending countdowns every week.